welcome to Craft Layers. Today we are going to make a paper hat. For that you just need a A4 size paper. First fold this to half like this. Now I have folded it. Fold this to here. Now you can see a rectangle shape. At the center you can see a line. So fold this side to here. This should be folded for the other side. Now I have got a rectangle shape. Now this point down should be folded here. It should not, make sure that it should not touch the cap. And fold in another fold with it. Then you will get a shape like this. Turn it backward and fold this side to here. Like this. Follow the same step for the other side. Now I have made it. Now take it and fold it up like this. And take it out. And fold in another fold with the point here. Like this. Here to here. And here to here. It should be inserted with the line here. You could see a line when you fold it backward. Now insert it like this here to the line. Like this. See? I have folded it. It would look like this. Now a paper hat is ready. If you like Craft Layers, please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.